Well, hello there. I'm Pete LaFrance, the Old Growler. Welcome to Meeting Expectations. What I do here, every day around 2:30, I kick back. Grab a can of beer, a bottle of beer, sometimes a wine or a spirit might drop by. We're all friends in fermentation. I take the time to read the label, everything on the label. I take a look at the artwork, see what they're trying to sell me, crack it open, and see if it meets expectations. First off, though, make sure that all beers should be served at the correct temperature. Lagers between, say, 40 and 45 degrees Fahrenheit. Ales between 50 and 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Got myself my trusty thermometer. That way I can make sure the beer is served at the correct temperature. Also, all of our beers, the tastings, are all done in the same style of glassware. That way nobody has a leg up when it comes to clarity or aromatics. All right, what do we have today? And this is from the folks at Oscar Blues Brewing Company in Longmont, Colorado. It is their Dale's Double IPA. There it is. Dale's Double IPA. All right, let's see what they have to say about it. Okay, first off, it's got the government warning that I should not be a pregnant woman operating heavy machinery. No problem. It is an India Pale Ale. It is, let's see, Oscar Blues Brewery. And it says, here's the write-up. It is a double IPA. When tasting new beers, Dale often has some very detailed feedback from the brewers at Oscar Blue Brewery. More. We were listening. To create this double IPA, we doubled down on American hops and brew it to an uncompromising 9% alcohol by volume. Double down on good times. Right, and it is packed in and packed out. Pack in and pack out. In other words, don't litter. And it is a double down, and that is about what it is. So, what am I expecting? Well, I'm expecting at that type of a temperature, at that type of a alcohol content, kind of a warm beer as far as the warm and going all the way down there. It is going to be a tasty beer. The hop, definitely a little bit hoppy on this one. So I'm looking forward to a hoppy, relatively high alcohol double IPA. Let's crack it open and see if it meets those expectations. Okay, it is definitely a clear beer, nicely carbonated. Okay, and this one is at 55 degrees Fahrenheit, so it is exactly the right temperature. Okay, well, it looks like an IPA. Let's see if it tastes like an IPA. Cheers. Yes, I took 2 sips. The reason is, again, it's 2:30 in the afternoon. My taste buds are on siesta. They have to be woke. Well, they're woke now. Let's go in for a nosedive. All right, yes, I'm definitely getting a nice hoppy aroma on this one. It's kind of a floral aroma. It's not quite like in a florist shop, but it's definitely a flowery type of aroma, that's for sure. Okay, let's see what the taste buds say about that. That's definitely a full-bodied beer. It's got a lot of mouthfeel to it. Yep. And the malt is very forward on the malt. Not a sweet type of a thing, but it's forward. It's really got that forward malty mouthfeel. Oh, and there are the hops. It takes a while for those hops to kick in, but ooh, when they do. And there's that nice warm, whoa, oh yeah. That warms it on the way down, that is for sure. This is a 5-second beer. This is a beer that you take a sip and then you wait 5, maybe 10 seconds, and all of a sudden you're going, okay, now I know what they're doing. Okay. Well, I rate all the beers that I taste from a 1 to 5. 1 for just showing up. 3 for meeting expectations. 5, they're an elixir of the gods. Well, boy, oh boy, for what it said on the label there and what I am tasting here, this is definitely a 4.5. It certainly meets the expectations, and with that high alcohol content, this is not something that you're going to chug. I mean, it looks like a chuggable beer. It tastes like a chuggable beer, but boy, oh boy, after about 30 seconds or so, you know that this is really going to warm the cockles of your heart, so to speak. So, if you enjoyed this presentation, please click on the subscribe button and the bell. That way you won't miss any of our presentations. A thumbs up would be great, share us with your friends, and a comment would be really appreciated. Let me know what kind of beer you think I should taste next. I'm the Old Growler, hoping all of your beers meet expectations.